everybody, my name is Marvin Etienne. I'm the founder and creative director at ETN Wear, and I'm excited to take everyone on this journey as we bring ETN Wear to life. So I started ETN Wear with one simple mission in mind, and that was essentially to create elevated men's leisure wear, crafted pieces that fit seamlessly into every aspect of your day. I'm a husband, I'm a dad of 3, I'm a travel enthusiast, domestically for work, internationally, typically for leisure, and I'm in the gym religiously. And I say all that to say, I know what it's like to try to squeeze in time with the wife, whether that's on date night or a coffee chat while trying to balance Ubering the kids around to their daily activities, in addition to balancing the demands of work, and try to fit in, a workout 5 days a week. Now, with all that on your plate, you need pieces that are going to be comfortable, but they don't compromise on the quality and they don't compromise on the style. So we're actually going to be heading to Vietnam to meet with one of our manufacturers to finalize the details on a couple of things: MOQs, grading, sizing, fabrics, etc. Come on, let's go. Leaving Japan right now on the way to Vietnam. It's gonna be a 6-hour flight. Should be good. Check back in with you guys when I touch down. Hey y'all, we just arrived in Vietnam and it's early in the morning, didn't get much sleep, but we're heading to our hotel, Fusion Original. Beautiful, beautiful accommodations. Look at that. Would you look at that? So as you guys can see, we've actually been boots on the ground here in Vietnam, enjoying the culture for a few days. Today is actually the day we're gonna meet with our manufacturers. Reason why we actually came to Vietnam, because when it comes to sourcing the best materials and partners for ETN Wear, I could have definitely gone the easier route, industry conferences such as Source and Add Magic, or just taking recommendations from other brand owners and making deals from a distance. But for me, with building ETN Wear, it's more than just finding a supplier who's capable. It's more about creating the partnership. So being here at Vietnam, I'm able to go beyond the sales team. I'm able to actually meet the people who are going to bring our designs to life. So I'll also get to see the facility firsthand. I'll see the quality, the commitment that goes into creating or crafting each piece. And that's something you just can't get over the screen. You can't get that over communicating via WhatsApp, Alibaba, or even a conference call for that matter. All right, y'all, we just wrapped up at the manufacturer. I'm really excited for the partnership that we built, the discussions we had, choosing some of the fabrics. What I need y'all to do is like, comment, subscribe, but more importantly, check out the website, etnwear.com. I can't wait for you guys to see some of the final pieces. Subscribe now for pre-order updates, and until next time.